So for instance, we had like previous order flow broken here. So we waited for a new order flow for sell. So if price is, for instance, bullish, like price is bullish like this, yeah. So we expect price to create like a sell order flow so that we can trade into the order flow to continue to buy. Like that's like pretty much what you are looking for. Now, I want you to also understand that in as much as we are looking for this to happen, it is not also a guarantee. It's not also a guarantee that these areas are going to hold for itself. You get it now? It's not also a guarantee that these areas are going to hold for itself. All it just means that there's a high chance that this area is going to give us a pullback so that we can continue to buy from the buy order flow, yeah? Probably from the open or the extreme, whichever way it comes. So these are the ways you want to just like, how will I say, you want to expect price to play out. So because he gave you a sell order flow is not a guarantee. In fact, most times what price does is price looks for something on the higher time frame. Yeah. Here, let's say price look for something on the higher time on my drawing. So price look for something on the higher time frame. For instance, if I have this as my sell order flow, yeah, and say we have this price action. Now this is London. Let's assume this is London. So we have sell order flow. We already have a buy order flow from here. So we're expecting price to buy. We're expecting price to sell to give us a pullback from here. In fact, I would rather trade this. I would rather wait for price to do this so that I can take this deep pullback to continue to buy. And this is why I said that. Because this order flow that was created from the previous day, because we are bullish, because price is bullish, this may most likely be an inducement for the mitigation of something on the higher time frame. In fact, last week, this was what we traded all through. Yeah, this was like what we traded all through. We realized that these levels didn't hold price for pullbacks. Yeah, so price will have to break them, mitigate something on the extreme here, on the higher time frame, and give us that deep pullback that we are looking for. Now, I want you to also note that, see this thing I just drew here. This is a high probability setup. A high probability setup, but catching this retracement sometimes is very, very difficult. Trust me, it's very difficult to catch retracements like this, especially when you are not reactive to price. You want several confirmations for you to trade this. You may most likely miss out on these big moves, because sometimes when price takes out a sell order flow like this that came from the previous day, of course we are bullish. If you want to have like a retracement, the retracement used to be very much bigger when price takes out the sell order flow. It mitigates something on the hard time frame, and most times they don't even waste time here. It mitigates the extreme, and then we are having a sell happen. You understand that? So I would rather want price to, if price is bullish, I would rather want price to take out sell order flow during London so that I can catch the big move than even respecting it. Do you understand that? I want price to take out this sell order flow. And now, how do I get in? So for instance, if price takes out my sell order flow, what do I want to see here before I get in? It's simple. There's nothing complex you want to see. You want price to mitigate the extreme. Go down to your M1. Look for bearish candle close. Just M1 bearish candle close at this level. And we are done. I mean, you get in, put your stop loss. Try as much as you can to cover this high. That's all. Bearish candle close at this level. That's all you need to get. And if you are selling this, your first target, if you want to be very conservative, your first target should be, let me delete some of this. So your first target, if I'm getting in from here, my first target should be these areas that was violated. Yeah, that's my fault, because sometimes you can have like a pullback, then a remitigation to continue to sell. You get it now? So this is my first target here, and then ultimately the buy order flow for the day. Do you understand that now? Please, I don't know if you understand that. Let me know so that we can continue. I want to be sure that you got it now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
but now is there? Sorry.
Yeah.
So okay, is there any model I can use that will allow me to use limits
Limit order.
apart from this? Yes, like is there anything I can look for inside after that mitigation to use limits? Because this,
Is
I'm not sure.
the thing is there's nothing that I can give you. Like the only thing is if you have, like, let's assume you have your sell order flow here from
Yeah.
previous day and you have a higher time frame structure here. The only thing you want to do is that expect this to be taken out, especially when you are bullish. Yeah. Now, if price takes this out, there's nothing you need. You can just set your limit here, put your stop loss above the high of the higher time frame level. Or better still, if you want to, like, if you don't want to use limit, when it comes in, maybe you can use like an alert. When it comes in, you find your bearish candles, you can just hit the trigger button and allow it to run. It's as simple as that. Or if you are not always available on your chart and you find your sell order flow intact from previous day, and then you have a higher time frame stuff at this level, just set your limit at the higher time frame stuff. You don't have to. There's no rocket science to it. Just set your higher time frame, your limit at the higher time frame zone. That's all.
And that's the extreme.
Yeah, as much as you can, cover the highs or the lows, as the case may be.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all you need. But trust me, this works 100%. Like, I don't know, I don't say 100%, but trust me, most of the times this works like magic. And I can show you these things countless number of times. In fact, last week, this was like what played out all through the week. Yes, we were and some of them I was even reluctant to even get in on them. Some of them I got in on them. Like in this case, I got in on this one here. I got in on which other one? This one we didn't get in because I was kind of contemplating if this was a break because of my broker. It was an equal high. So this would have been a very beautiful entry. But I've gotten on this one. Then which other one did I get in on? I think which other one? Yeah, I got in on this other one here. I also got in on this one here. We didn't get in on this one. We missed this one. This buy was a beautiful one too. Then we got in on this sell here. This one happened, outside my trading time, and I was sad. This buy and this sell, happened outside my trading